This is an instruction video of using Greenshot. You can use Google search to get to the Greenshot webpage. This is an open source software, so you can download it for free. So once you download it, and you can get to the preference of that program, and it'll give you this setting window. And this particular one here, capture region, is very useful. So you don't have to take a screenshot of the entire screen. You can select a region that of the screen, and you can also reset the button that is more convenient for you. Usually we use our right hand to use the mouse and left hand for the button, so wherever is convenient for your left hand could be a good choice, but it's up to you. And the second thing in the setting is this capture. I usually set this mouse pointer off, so when you take a screenshot, wherever your mouse is, it's not going to take the picture of that mouse and the location of the mouse. It'll remove that. Next one I'd like to point out here is this destination. If you go to destination, I will choose copy to clipboard and open an image editor. So after you take a region of your screen, immediately it's going to open an editor, and you can save it from there, or you can add little symbols in there. It's very, very useful. Or you can explore other options as well here. But that's my first level of recommendation. So for example, if you're looking at YouTube videos and you'd like to ask a question about a certain part, you go ahead and hit that Greenshot button, any of the short hotkey button you set up, and you can take a screen capture of this certain part of the video we're looking at. Or if you're looking at the browse through your handwritten notes somewhere in the PDF form like this, also you can hit the button for the screen capture and you can capture any part in here. So for example, and this is from YouTube video, and as soon as you take a shot, and it'll open up this Greenshot image editor, and in the left side you have options, you have tools to add certain things in there. It's very, very useful. For example, I use this this arrow button a lot to point it here, and then you can see that, and I actually use the arrow button to let you know where the arrow button is. So if you want to point it here and there, and if you capture this image when you're explaining in the discussion board or sending me a message to ask you about a certain thing, if you're just pointing like this, it's very, very efficient way of communicating with each other. Another things I'd like to recommend is this text part in here, and you can add very simple text in here, things like that. Very, very useful tools, and it's very quick, and that's my favorite part. Even if you're looking at list of files in here, by right-clicking on it, you have different options. You can choose open with, and you will see the Greenshot usually appear in there. If you select that, it'll open that image file in that Greenshot image editor. Or if you're looking at it and happen to be viewing that photo image of something, and you can click on that in the middle of that image, right click on that middle of the image, and you can get to the Greenshot image editor as well. It's very, very useful software. I hope you're going to use it too.